There are more than 200 moons in our solar system. Most people barely know one. But some moons have oceans, some have volcanoes, and one could already support life. But the last moon on this list breaks everything we know.
Earth's moon. Let's start with the one we think we know. It's more than just a glowing rock in the night sky. It controls our tides, stabilizes Earth's rotation, and without it, life as we know it might not exist. Its surface is barren, covered in craters from billions of years of impacts. It has no air, no weather, no oceans, yet it has shaped the course of human history. From guiding ancient calendars to inspiring myths and exploration, the moon is simple, familiar, but profound. Compared to what's next, it's just the opening act of a much bigger cosmic story.
Io, Jupiter's volcanic fury-made moon. Hundreds of active volcanoes constantly spew molten sulfur into space, painting its surface in yellows, reds, and oranges. Jupiter's immense gravity stretches Io like a rubber band, heating its interior to unimaginable temperatures. Imagine a world where the ground beneath your feet is constantly reshaping itself, where mountains rise and collapse in days, where the sky glows with volcanic plumes. No oceans, no air, no life, just raw, unrelenting destruction.
Europa. Europa seems calm from the outside. Smooth, icy plains stretch for hundreds of miles. But beneath that frozen shell lies a hidden ocean, possibly more water than all of Earth's oceans combined. Kept warm by the tidal forces of Jupiter, this hidden sea could harbor life. Microbial life? Maybe something more complex? We don't know. Yet the possibilities make Europa one of the most intriguing targets for future exploration. Standing on its icy surface, looking at Jupiter looming in the sky, you can almost feel the mystery vibrating beneath your feet.
Ganymede. Ganymede isn't just a moon, it's a planet in disguise, bigger than Mercury with its own magnetic field and layers of ice covering potential oceans below. Imagine a world so massive that it could easily be mistaken for a small planet. Its terrain is a mix of old, heavily cratered regions and younger grooves, hinting at a violent past. A place where ice and rock have danced for billions of years, quietly shaping one of the most powerful moons in the solar system.
Titan. Titan is a world unlike anything on Earth. A thick orange haze blankets the sky, hiding rivers of liquid methane and lakes that reflect the weak sunlight. Rain falls, but it's not water. Its chemistry mirrors what Earth might have looked like before life began. Titan forces us to imagine life in completely different conditions, in a world that seems alien yet familiar. Could life have started twice in our solar system? Maybe.
Enceladus. Enceladus is tiny, barely 500 kilometers across, yet it shocked scientists with what it hides. Water geysers shoot straight into space, revealing a hidden ocean beneath the icy surface. We didn't need to drill. The moon revealed itself. Imagine standing near one of these geysers, seeing water vapor rise in the faint light of Saturn, a reminder that even the smallest moons can hold the biggest surprises.
Triton. Triton defies everything we expect from a moon. It orbits Neptune backward, a captured world from the Kuiper Belt. Its surface is frozen nitrogen, dotted with geysers of gas erupting into the darkness. Temperatures plunge near absolute zero. It's alien, unpredictable, and reminds us that our solar system is far more chaotic than it seems from Earth. Callisto. Callisto is time frozen in ice and rock. Its surface is untouched by volcanic activity, preserving billions of years of cosmic history. Every crater, every scar tells a story of the solar system's past. No drama, no chaos, just the patient, silent witness of everything that has happened around it. If we want to understand the history of our cosmic neighborhood, We start with Callisto.